Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. This is how to fix Chrome redirecting to Bing. So, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is disabling some extensions. So, if you recently downloaded some extensions and it is redirecting you to the Bing, it means that you downloaded the Bing. So, to fix that, just simply select the three dots on the top right corner and you will have an option over here, extensions. You will have manage extensions over here. So from here, you could just simply remove some extensions, or you could just simply turn them off, as you can see over here. But I recommend removing all of your extensions to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, select the three dots again on the top right corner. Select the settings over here down below. And now at the left side, you should be able to see search engine. And now from here, you will have the search engine. So if you have Bing, it means the Bing is over here. And you can just simply select change and just simply select Google and set it as your default. And since I don't have any other search engine, it is only Google popping up. But if you do, you should be able to change it over here. And you can also manage some search engine over here if you click on down below, and you can get a very detailed options that you can do about your search engine. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.